Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bitcoin update. This is Saturday, weekends is upon us, and Bitcoin is already looking quite thrilling. So it's gonna be a thrilling Saturday, hopefully, because weekends were never really good, historically speaking. And at the moment, there's a fall down, but I still kind of feel like this retest is a little bit shady, because on a text on a surface it actually looks like you went up there, but I don't like when retest make only wicks as a retest. I like when it actually hugs the whole line. And what I mean by that is that you have this resistance line. It's not a good idea to retest with the wick and close with the body and the wick like that and then go down. Yes or no? It's always a good idea to cut through the line and close like this with the line and then go down. I don't know if it does make sense to you, but anyway, that's my own personal opinion. But as far as things goes, there's a shooting star right next to it, so that shooting star looks like it's a clear bearish candle right next to the resistance. So that one green candle that you see is a shooting star, and from here reversals are meant to go to the downside. The EMS, as we spoke as well, are acting quite heavy on Bitcoin at the moment. So yeah, logically speaking, we should be looking at Bitcoin to go even pretty lower to the downside. Now, I actually figured out that we potentially are trying to make a pennant to go lower, so I'm gonna dive into the daily time frame here. And instead of 14,000, I discovered that Bitcoin could be interested to go way lower than 14,000. So if you're looking for Bitcoin to make some sort of a pennant here in the next coming 1 or 2 days, just like that, and you pop to the downside, so you might be looking for a technical target from that top there to bottom. And if you're breaking out of this area, then it's pretty obvious that Bitcoin is not gonna go to 14,000, but to a whooping $12,149. So yeah, second target. So you have the first target being 14,000, second target being 12,000. If it's a bear pennant, it's not a confirmed one, but it could be a bear pennant and you could be looking to go down there. And then you have a bear flag, which actually takes you all the way down to this price level, 8,500. So 3 technical targets. Hopefully, I don't know, in here in this zone we could have that last capitulation moments. And it's amazing, man. I've been on Twitter. I've been looking at Twitter for a long time, and this is my Twitter, by the way. Do give it a follow. 300 followers. Come on, guys. Are you kidding me? Why are my followers sleeping? Come and follow this Twitter channel. I need tweets. I'm making out tweets. And by the way, you can also check the trading course as well. Message me on Twitter to get a discount. Now, the thing I want to say is that on Twitter, I notice a lot of FUD. Okay, I noticed many FUD. Now, when we were up here, I don't know if it's a paid thing or what, but when we were up here and Bitcoin was trading nearly 30,000 and it was breaking out of 30,000, and I was giving calls and shorts for Bitcoin to go to $24,000. Twitter back then, they were making like, hey, Bitcoin is looking amazing and this and that, and a lot of tweets made people lose a lot of money. Okay, and now that we're down here near the bottom, which in my opinion the bottom is coming in very soon until 8,500, Twitter is filled with too many FUD. Okay, too many FUD, and that's lovely. For me personally, I love every single bit of FUD because that's how the psychology of the market works. Go for the FUD, spread fear to so many people. Everyone wants to buy, sell, and this and that. You can already see FTX is having a lot of FUD. Exchanges is having a lot of FUD. People are telling, hey, sell your money and run away. That's a good sign that the bottom is actually near for Bitcoin, because I don't think Bitcoin is dead even by miles of shots. Okay, Bitcoin is here to stay for a longer while, at least for me, for the next decade. I don't see for 10 years Bitcoin is going anywhere. So I love the FUD. I'm enjoying the FUD. I'm looking for Bitcoin to come down here. Could be buying purchase, $1 cost average there, another dollar cost average for me personally right there. And if it capitulates to 6,000, okay, but I don't think there's any chances of Bitcoin to go like to lower 2,000s and this and that. Your low should be somewhere in that zone here, and then boom, you go to the upside. I don't know if it's 8,000, 6,000 or whatever. Who knows? You never know what bottom really is. It could even be here. You never know. But technically it should be down first to 8,500. If it wants to bottom, okay. If we got another bear pattern, then it's going to be a problem, of course. Okay, if we end up making another bear pattern on the monthly, then we could be on the verge of saying, hey, unfortunately, Bitcoin is showing to drop more, right? And that's where we're going to talk about it. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.